Good morning to you all. You are welcome to ICANN Ghana's YouTube channel. At ICANN, our aim is to help children around the world, especially Ghanaian children, to understand computing. And through that, we believe they will get the skills or the 21st skills needed to move the world into a better place. Okay, so let's move ahead with our Excel program. In today's lesson, we are going to have a look at the conditional formatting as we did in the previous lesson. We are going deeper into conditional formatting and the if statement or the conditional statement as we did in the previous lesson. Okay, so let's quickly move into it. Before I move on with the functions or the formulas, I've realized that all the names that I've been typing, in fact, I'm being gender bias. I only have one female's name in it, and therefore I'm going to take this opportunity to add about seven names to it who are females. So with this, I'll not go down here to where we have Martin Kinluta, who is Kofi Kenata. No, I'll insert some of the names into it so that we learn how to insert new rows or new rows. So I'll right click on row 3, then I'll go to insert. Okay, and sɛ deɛ mɛde nka aka no, edin no a na mebɔ no nyinaa no, mehu sɛ na ɛyɛ mmarima din nko ara na mebɔ, nti no mede mmaa nso din ɛreba abɛka ho na mabɔ mmaa din no bi afra. Na ɛwɔ saa adesua wei mu no, yɛbɛyɛ conditional formatting, yɛbɛtoa so anaasɛ yɛbɛkɔ yɛn anim kakra, na afei nso yɛayɛ yɛn if statement anaasɛ conditional statement na ɛdi nkan yɛyɛ no, yɛayɛ bi aka ho. Nti menkyɛre ho no, mebɔ din no. Okay, nti mede edin bi te sɛ Patricia Obo Na. Patricia Obo Na is the so as you can see from here, because I have not highlighted this rule and given it red colors, it has turned to color. It was color black, so I'll quickly change from that and unbolding it. Okay, so over here to this same column, and as you can see, because I have not applied the rule, the first rule, which is the concatenate to our insert, it did not apply to it. So quickly I'll use the autofill handler to do it. So as you can see, I just inserted a new row and I've applied the concatenate formula to it to put the two names together. So Patricia Obo now is the CEO of Vodafone Ghana. Okay, let me insert another female's name, and this is going to be Oprah and Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is a TV host or a talk show presenter in the United States. Over here too, I've not done the concatenate, so I'll just move my autofill formula over it and everything will be done. I'll insert another female's name, and this time it's going to be Angela Miguel. Angela Miguel is the former Chancellor of Germany. Alright, I'll insert another one, and this is going to be Theodora Theodosia, yes, Theodosia Oko. Theodosia Oko happens to be the designer of Ghana flag. Yeah, she designed the Ghana flag. Then I'll have another name like Jackie, and then I'll add Appear to it. Jackie Appear is a TV, is a movie star in Ghana. She's an actress, yeah, an actress. And I'll insert another lady's name, Rebecca Akufu. Addo. Rebecca Akufo-Addo is the first lady of Ghana, the president's wife. And the last person is going to be Nana Ama McBrown. Nana Ama McBrown. Okay, so now that the names are done, let me quickly move on to the conditional formatting that we are going to do. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we did a lot of conditional formatting over here, and we have seen how to go about it. And in this lesson, I'm going to expand on the conditional formatting. Okay, so to apply your conditional formatting, what you need to do is to select that area. So today, I'm going to use the color scale and the data bars to prove that these things can also be used, or these features can also be used for your conditional formatting. So what I'll do is I'll select the range of numbers from here all the way down. I just held shift, and this is what I'll do. I'll go to conditional formatting. We are going to use the scale. So as you can see, whenever I put the cursor on any of them, the scale is picked. And what the scale does is that the color is being graded. Okay, the color is graded. So those who are having about 400, they are having deeper green. Okay, quickly let me try this also. With the cell still selected, I'll just go to clear rules and clear the rules for all the things that we have done. Okay, I've cleared the rules for all the names that we just entered. So that is it. Conditional formatting. Nti yɛkasa conditional formatting ɛne sɛn mmerɛ bi a type work na wopɛ sɛ nsɛm bi anaasɛ number bi a ɛhyɛ cell no mu no yɛma no mmerɛ bi anaasɛ yɛde biribi ɛbata ho no yɛkɔ conditional formatting. Nti meyɛ no foforɔ, wo select column na anaasɛ row na wopɛ sɛ woma no conditional formatting na wokɔ conditional formatting. Nti first one no me use scale, nti ɛno ara bio na meba use, anaa ma memfa bars no nso ɛnyɛ bars. Then you just go to gradient or any of them that you want. So what is happening is that the AC wɔ ha ne sɛ number na ɛyɛ kɛseɛ no ɛno na ne bar no ayɛ kɛseɛ paa, na deɛ ɛsua no nso na ɛso ɛɛte. Nti wobɛhwɛ a 424 wei ɛwɔ kyɛn 263 wei ɛnso. Nti conditional formatting dwuma a ɛdi ɛno no. Nti wohwɛ 435 wei a ɛwɔ kyɛn 432 wei, because conditional formatting no dwuma a ɛdi ne sɛ ɛhyehyɛ anaasɛ scale na yɛfaeɛ no ɛhyehyɛ numbers no ɛwɔ deɛ ɛso na deɛ ɛdi so na ɛso te basaa. Nti hwɛ 426 sɛ bar no yɛ kakraka kyɛn 167. Okay, the mmerɛ a ɛwɔ conditional formatting ho nso bi no. Okay, yɛnsan nhwɛ another rule nso, another rule anaasɛ ɛkwan foforɔ a yɛbɛtumi asa afa so ayɛ conditional formatting no. Yɛbɛtumi de arrows wei mu anaasɛ directional tools wei nso mu bi ayɛ conditional formatting no. Na afei nso yɛbɛtumi aselect numbers deɛ ebi a ɛboro first top 10 items, nneɛma a ɛyɛ kɛseɛ paa out of numbers na ɛwɔ hɔ no. Okay, so the rules are there. Just select your column, then go to conditional formatting, then just apply the rules to it. If you don't like it, or so when we na you just go to clear rules, then you clear it. But before, you need to select the rule or the column before you can clear the rules. Okay, thank you. Now let's move on to the if statement. If statement. If statement. Now you can see I do not have values for the new numbers or the new students that I added. So I'll just enter some values for them. And okay, let me quickly add some values for them and apply the rules to it also. The first if statement rules that we did. Okay, by using the auto handler or the autofill handler. Okay, so let me put in some numbers so that they don't fill. Okay, and there are more numbers now bebree. Now yɛnkɔ conditional statement no so anaasɛ if statement no ɛso. Deɛ ɛdi kan no, yɛn first if statement na yɛyɛyɛ no, yɛhu sɛ number no I1, number no ɛwɔ I1 ase no, sɛ ɛso kyɛn 400 anaasɛ equal to 400 yɛntwerɛ excellent, ɛna ɛnnuru nso a yɛntwerɛ failed. That is what we did. So let's move on. Let's try another one. So equal to if, then you bring your bracket I3. If I3 is less than let's say 300, we are checking. If I3 is less than 300, what should we do? If I3 is less than 300, then we will say that add something to I3. We are trying that. If I3 is less than 300, then we say I3 plus any value at all, maybe plus 100. Okay, then if not I3, maybe you just use any number plus 120. That is the condition. So the system is checking to see is the value in I3 less than 300. If it is less than 300, then let's add 100 to the value. But if it is not, then let's add 120. So the value in I3 here is more than 500. It's more than 300. So the first rule or the first condition or the first statement did not work, but the second one worked. Okay, that is another way to do your if statements by comparing numbers. Okay, we can try another one and see. We also want to find out if the value here is equal to this. If it is equal to that, what should we do? So you can say equal to, let me clear this number, equal to if I3 is equal to K3. Okay, if the value in I3 here is equal to the value in K3 here, then write there something or subtract something from any of the values. So this time around, let's write something. Let's write there lesser than equal to let's just write I am equal. If not, what should you write? I I am not equal. Okay, then you close the bracket, press enter. So as you can see, we have, let me expand the cell a bit. We have I am not equal. This is because I3 is not equal to K3. So the first rule here did not work. Okay, the first rule here did not work. Obviously, when I use the auto fill handler or the auto fill, I'm going to get I am not equal, I'm not equal, I'm not equal, because none of the values in the I column and the K column are equal. But the moment I change any of the values, for example, if I go to Patricia Obonan's data here, and I type the 455. No, I type the 455. You see that it will be changed to I am equal. Okay, it has changed to I am equal. It has changed to I am equal because now the value here is the same as the value here. Okay, that is how Excel works. That is how Excel works. Okay, let me try another one for you. When I pick the data of Nana Amamat Brown, okay, then I change the values. You see, we have I am not equal over there because there is no value here for her, or there is a value here for her, but it is not equal to this. So I'll just put there 781 and press enter. So you see I am equal because now the value here is the same as the value here. Okay, thank you all very much. In the next lesson, I'm going to dive deep into Microsoft the if formulas, where we have nested formulas and a whole lot of them. But before we move on to that, let me remind you, as children, as you are preparing yourself for the future, please respect your friends, respect everybody, okay? That is very important. Then also, in the future, when you become adults and you are holding positions, please make sure that you don't center everything in the cities. All your industries, all your government agencies, and big companies, all of them are being centered in the cities. No, please, if you grow up and you are into a bigger position, make sure that you control those things. You need to bring some of those businesses to the smaller towns, okay? so that you ease the congestion and flooding situations in the cities. Okay, yeah, that would be a very good way to solve the congestion and over clouding and all those kind of things in the cities. Okay, thank you very much for your time. See you in the next lesson.